Hey guys, what's up? And today I'm going to be doing a what I eat in a day video. I've been obsessed with these and they're kind of fun to watch, so I thought I would make one. It rained last night and it's been rainy for the past couple of days, and on rainy days I like to have something warm, so I made myself oatmeal. This is what it looks like. It's pretty basic. It has almond butter. I made some frozen berries. I warmed them up, and then it has banana in the oatmeal and on top, and some chia seeds and cinnamon, I believe. And then I have like a big glass of water. I've been trying to drink a lot of water recently. Sometimes I would have coffee too. Oh, hello. Sometimes I would have coffee too, but I don't know, I just didn't have any today. I feel like I should take a break from caffeine because I'm kind of dying. I'm gonna eat this and I'll see you when my next meal is. I'm just making myself some tea because it's, oh, it fell in, okay. So for lunch, I'm gonna make a chicken salad, and I have all these veggies to put in it. I'm gonna roast some gold beets and sweet potato. I have a sweet potato like every day because, you know, they're addicting and fun. And then I have mixed medley cherry tomatoes, which are also kind of fun and colorful. And then I have an avocado, and this is the lettuce I'm gonna use. And then I'm gonna fry some chicken. So I just finished making my lunch, and not gonna lie, it took a little time, but it's fun because I love cooking. It's like one of my favorite things to do. And here it is. This is my chicken salad I made. It has a lot of stuff. Kind of regretting like putting that much stuff, but I think we'll be fine. I put some brown rice also in there, and these like root chips that are kind of really fun. And then I'm gonna use this goddess dressing. And yeah, that's my lunch. I'm having a snack right now, and it's just some apples and grapes. This was my dinner. I didn't talk in this clip, but I just had a salad with some pasta with asparagus and carrots and cantaloupe. So that was it for my what I eat in a day video. It was really fun to film, actually. Sorry, I'm holding my charger because my phone is about to die. But yeah, I just came back from the gym, and yeah, this was really fun to film. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. And this is kind of what I eat like on days that I have time. Like, I'm on winter break right now, so I have a lot of time. On school days, normally I would probably pack something quicker, but of course I have more time, so I have time to cook. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!